Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Riffany Fitri Arfaziah.
And my name is Amelia Agustia.
We want to tell you about our presentation. The title is Type of Business Ownership.
The type is partnership. Partnership can be interpreted as a form of cooperation between two parties on the basis of agreement and mutual need in order to improve capabilities in a particular business field or specific purpose so as to obtain better results. A business partnership is a business with multiple owners, each of whom has invested in the business. Some partnerships include individuals working in the business, while others may include partners with limited participation and limited liability. Partnerships are inexpensive to create. General partners have complete control. Partners can share ideas. It is difficult to dissolve one partner's interest without dissolving the partnership. There may be personality conflict. Partners can be held liable for each other's action. General partner and limited partner. General partnership is a type of cooperation that is carried out evenly. The partners here are equally active in day-to-day operation and are fully responsible for that and any legally binding issues. Limited partnership is a business collaboration between two or more people. Parties who are limited partners do not have full responsibility for day-to-day operation. If there are problems of debt or credit, lawsuit, and so on, they will also not be in full. Partners only need to invest a certain amount of money at the start of the partnership, then wait for the profit and profit sharing at the specific time. The rights and responsibilities of this partner are also determined based on the amount of money initially invested.
Advantage. First is establishment that can be carried out easily in an informal manner if it is deemed not necessary to make the partnership business formal and recorded. Second is skill that can complement the limitation of doing something in running a business. Third is profit sharing can be done more easily based on mutual agreement determined at the beginning of the cooperation. Profit sharing is not necessarily the same as the ratio of capital because the workload and responsibilities in running a business can be different. Fourth, is of finding a passive or limited partner. Limited partners are considered as a form of strength in the partnership business because they can accommodate people who are willing to invest without being directly involved in the business and willing to take risks only as much as their money invested. Third, large active capital accumulation. Moreover, if it is with a commitment that reaches personal asset, it will allow business expansion to occur because it is a large capital. 6. There is flexibility in adapting to the world of business and speed in making decisions. Deficiency. First is unlimited liability, which requires the owner to account for his obligation down to personal property, except passive partner. Second, less than optimal capital accumulation, although the partnership business firm is still better at finding more capital than the individual partner. This form of business is still considered less effective when compared to an individual business. Third is it is difficult to get out of a partnership because in a partnership, if you want to withdraw, usually the share you want to release must be sold to another partner. In fact, after other partners do not intend or do not have sufficient funds to buy share of partner who want to leave, so that often partnerships have to be dissolved, which make matter even more complicated, especially when names become trademarks that are remembered by customer or consumer. 5. Less sustainable can happen if the head of the niece's party does not want to partner with the partner of the head. 6. More potential for conflict. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.